Jianjie Binder demonstrates its unique advantages in the production process of iron ore pellets, especially during the roasting phase. During the roasting of iron ore pellets, high temperatures tend to cause a series of chemical reactions in the ore components, one of which is the formation of dicalcium silicate. The formation of dicalcium silicate not only affects the strength and stability of the iron ore pellets but may also lead to an increase in the pulverization rate, further affecting the smelting efficiency of the iron ore pellets. However, with its unique chemical properties and formulation, Jianjie Binder can effectively inhibit the formation of dicalcium silicate. During the roasting process, Jianjie Binder reacts with the silicate ions in the ore, thereby preventing the generation of dicalcium silicate. This effect significantly reduces the pulverization rate of the iron ore pellets, improves its overall quality, and provides a more superior and stable raw material option for the steel industry.